Hi, welcome back to another video. This is Chelsea. Today I'm gonna do a haul and open up some goodies that I recently got in the mail from some of my favorite shops. So I'm gonna open this package first. But I also have some stickers from Parasol Paper Co. and then the 90s baby bundle from Wonton in a Million. But this is from the Angel shop and I'm so excited because I haven't opened this fully. Like, I've seen some of the things in here, but I've just been holding off to do this video. So I love this journal card with some of the pens featured, and let's see. So first up, we have this really gorgeous heart keychain. This is stunning. Look how sparkly it is. And it has the rose gold hardware with the Angel Shop logo. This is so pretty and I can't wait to put this on my bag. I have the snowflake keychain on there right now, so it'll be fun to swap that out. And it came in this really pretty sparkly vinyl pouch. And then I also got some clips. These are so cute. I'm gonna open them up. This reminds me of my childhood. This one is a super glittery pink. And then we've got a charm, so cute. And then we have this hollow starfish. I got this for summertime. These are so much fun. And then I also got a clear cover for my B6 social media planner, so I'm excited about that. But let me open the pens. This is a bit more exciting, I think. So she sent me some extra pen ink refills, and I really like 0.7, so that's awesome. Thank you. All right, let's see what we've got. I don't remember what we ordered. Ooh, this one is so pretty. Okay, I don't remember ordering this, but it has this textured metallic barrel, and then inside pink and hollow moons and stars with some hollow glitter. It is so pretty. I love this. I love the way this feels. Super luxurious. Next up, we have this one, which I do remember picking this one out because I loved the black flowers. It's this sort of goth theme. So I thought it would be good for Halloween. Super pretty. And let's see what's next. Ooh, okay, this one is so pretty. Oh my gosh. All right, I have one like this already. Let me show you. And this one is also one of my favorites because it is so stinking sparkly. Just look at that. It sparkles like the pool on a sunny day. And I love this pattern. It's just instant summer vibes. So I think this is part of the same collection, but as you can see, it has the white hardware and blue glitter instead. And the glitter is stunning. I'm just obsessed with these pens. It's quickly become a hobby of mine to collect them. Ooh, okay, so we've got another blue pen, but this one is winter themed, and I think this was the Elsa Frozen collection. I don't know, I need to have the names written down, but it has blue and hollow glitter in there, and then white snowflakes. Look how sparkly. Oh my gosh, and I love the blue gradient. So stunning. I can't remember which ones of these are my mom's and which are mine. I kind of want all of them. All right, and then this last one is a really pretty pink. And I think this is really great for spring and Mother's Day. I love the rose gold hardware. Super pretty. Okay, so that's my stuff from the Angel shop. Now I'm gonna go through these sticker sheets from Parasol Paper Co. So I love the way these are packaged. It's got their info on the back if you guys want to check out their shop. But I love Jen and Jess. They're so sweet and Their stuff is so cute. I love their stickers and their washi tapes. This first set is Bujo shapes, and I love these. I'm definitely gonna be using these a ton because I love stars and sparkles in my planner pages, and I love that there's so many different colors. There's also just like white sticker paper, but then some of these are printed on washi paper maybe, or I don't know, it's like a clear matte, so that's really cool. So we've got some warm colors, and these match a lot of the washi tapes that I have from them as well. I like the rainbow, this is so cute. And then this one has kind of like a pink and purple colorway, blues and purples. Oh, there's more back here too. I kind of got them mixed up. This is like cotton candy and then black. Okay, so this next set is Ingenious. I love this. I've been listening to like a lot of music from the early 2000s here lately. So I think this would be so cute to like write some of my favorite songs down when I'm listening to them. And you can see there's lots of different colorways, which I appreciate because I want one to match my planner spread. And then there's also these full box sizes, so you can fill up a bit more space if you want to. And it's also been cut out. I love that. These are just so much fun. And then we've got some washi strips, which are actually cut to look like a little piece of washi tape. That is so cute. And it features that sparkly cloud design. And then we have some emojis, and I love that there's different sizes on the sheet. These are so cute. I'll definitely share these with my mom because she is a cat lady. I like this one. It's adorable. Okay, so those are all the stickers from Parasol Paper Co. And then the last part of this haul is from Wonton in a Million, and this is the 90s baby bundle. We actually did a collab giveaway with them because we have an 80s collection that goes really well with this, and they were releasing their 90s kit. As you can see, it's super cute. So I had to purchase one, and it comes in this box, which I'm definitely gonna be either repurposing or keeping forever. This is the journaling kit, so it doesn't have the full standard vertical kit in here, but that's okay because I really just kind of wanted to get my hands on some of the little extra goodies. So this came with this little booklet, which is so cute. It has their information on it and all about their shop characters, and then a little bit about the shop. So I believe this was in here. I don't know, I already opened this, so I can't remember, but yeah, I don't think this is part of the 90s stuff because it doesn't really match with that. And I didn't order this, so I'm thinking this is just like a freebie, but it has 30 sticky tabs each color. And it looks like these are just little plastic sticky notes. Okay, that's cool. All right, so how cute is this little sticker book? Me and my sister actually had the purple Game Boy just like this, so I'm obsessed with this. And the design is actually printed on the cover, so it's a little bit different. And then this is just sticker backing paper, so you can put your leftover stickers in here. And then we also have this acrylic piece. I don't know if you would call this a washi cutter, but it's so cute. Look. And then here's the back. It's got some puns on there. And And then we have this keychain, which is so cute. And then I did already open all the washi tape, so I could go ahead and show you what each one of these looks like. So yeah, let me just zoom in. I love these colors. This is definitely my jam. This die cut heart tape is really cute. It's like pixelated. And then this one looks like it's 10 millimeter and it has a glittery foil. And then this one is really skinny and it's got foil and this rainbow gradient. It's really pretty. So that's the washi tape, and we have some vinyl stickers. I think that's what these are. It doesn't feel like regular paper, but I love these. It's so cute. Then you've got the little Game Boy, and then, oh, this is a washi cutter for sure. So this, I don't know, you could probably use this as a washi cutter, but it's just thicker. Anyway, this is fun. I love these. And then we have this little sheet of deco stickers, and you get a little blue Game Boy on here with rainbows and music notes. And then the journaling kit came with some hollow sparkly stickers. Let me move all this stuff out of the way. Okay, so that's probably a little bit better. You can see the stickers maybe. So these are clear. That's so much fun. And then we have stickers on washi paper. So you can see how that peels up. These are really thin. I'm excited to try them out. And then we have these that are shaped like stamps. That's so cute. And then some deco over here. And then we've got date numbers and date covers with some washi strips. It's so satisfying to peel this. Oh, okay. Anyway, so that is the 90s baby collection from Wonton. I'm excited to use it. Alright guys, so that's everything in my haul today. Hopefully I'll be back soon with some more because I have more stuff on the way. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, and I really appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!